Yesterday again all the targets achieved for US crude and NG both traded bearish and both achieved the targets. The target for US crude was close to 86 level achieved, and then on NG was 8.4, both the targets achieved. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and yes, if you are missing on to subscribe, definitely you are missing the profit. Don't commit this mistake. The daily analysis definitely will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. So do press the subscribe button. And let's start the day with US crude first, trading at 88.3 levels. And this is the hourly charts of US crude. You will find there it is giving you higher lows, and see how beautifully the bottom lines are connected. Yes, you can, it indicates that you can go short at 87.5, then the support there at 86.5, and 86 is very strong. Breaking 86, we will directly look forward to 84 levels. Be cautious, and yes, go short at 87.5. At the same time, if you look at this, the highs are also very well connected out there, and the resistance there at 88.5 is strong. You can go long, but then 88.5 you can go long, but then you can be careful at 89 levels. At 89 it may get a stronger resistance. Beyond 89 definitely it will fly off till towards 90.2, and then see, this zone is important, which is right now situated at around 90.8 and 91. So yes, if it breaks past 91, that should be considered as a bullish reversal. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bullish here. It is divergent. RSI is looking upwards too. Likewise, if you see on the 2-hour charts, similar is the formation. Higher lows are getting created. At the same time, we must connect the dots out there. Lower highs are getting created here. Yes, and I will recommend you to go long only if it breaks past this zone at 88.5. Once it trades above 88.5, probably the next strongest resistance at $90 levels, and then 90.2. Beyond that it will get the resistance at 91. See, if it breaks past 91, that should be considered a bullish reversal, else it may try to retrace again on the downside. So till 91 I will not consider that as a bullish reversal. Till 91 this should be considered a retracement, and then it can drop again. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable, and if you look at the MACD, this is bearish. It is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards on the 2-hour charts. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, it is also giving you higher lows. With the stop loss at 8.8, you can stay long, and probably we can expect it to rise. The target should be at around 88.9, and then towards $9 levels, which is going to be a very strong support. So with the stop loss at 8.8, you can stay long, and only short entry I will recommend is below 8.75. The target on the upside, see, first at 90.2 and then 91 level. So if it breaks past 91, that should be considered a bullish reversal. Yes, and as I say, you can remain long with the stop loss at 88. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is bearish, willing to converge. And yes, if you look at the MACD, this is also bearish, willing to converge. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Only short entry is below 87.5. If you see it trading below 87.5, you can go short, and this candle may come back till here, which is right now at around $90 levels. Beyond 90.2, definitely it may try to achieve 91. And yes, 91 levels should be a very good resistance. Beyond that, we can expect it to fly high. So be watchful of 91. This should be very strong resistance here. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is at bottom, trying to reverse a bit and retrace a bit on the upside. And if you look at the MACD, this is bearish still. It is willing to converge. The RSI is looking upwards too. Likewise, if you see on the daily charts, see, first thing is it is achieved the bottom out there. Multiple candles getting the support precisely from this zone near to 86. So 86 definitely a very strong support out there, 86 and 86.5. But at the same time, if you look at this in detail, you will find that it is trading in this bearish channel, and lower highs are getting created. So yes, if you wish to consider this as a reversal, the next candle, which is yet to start, if it breaks past 91, then only one should consider that as a bullish reversal, else it may try to achieve the high and drop from there. So yes, if you are taking a long entry, and if you are staying long with the stop loss at 88. Remember, first target at 89 and then at 90.2 should be very strong resistance. Then 91 levels should become the resistance zone which it should not overcome. If it breaks past 91, definitely that should be considered as a bullish move, and then it may try to fly again. We will look forward to 94 levels and plus levels. So take your trades accordingly. Stay long till the time it trades above 88. And yes, a good short entry is only below 87.5. So take your trades accordingly. Below 87.5, again 86.5, 86, and then below that we may see a very good drop for 84 levels. So take your trades accordingly and trade with a stop loss. Remember, on the upside it should not be considered bullish till the time it trades below 91. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you think that all the hard work and efforts which I am putting it, sharing multiple analysis on multiple indices and commodities, delivering it daily, on time, every time. If you want to support the effort, you can join, you can become a patron, you can join the patron. The contribution is hardly anything. It is going to be less than one time cost of less than one time of meal, and yes, definitely it will give me a motivation to deliver better results. At the same time, it will unlock exclusive benefits for you where you can get the live updates. So reach out to me or join the Patreon channel. The link is mentioned in the video and channel description. So now let's start with NG here. See, likewise NG also giving lower highs out there and higher lows out there. The support at 8.8 is strong and the resistance at 8.9 is strong. So do not trade between 8.8 and 8.9. Very clear. Beyond 8.8 and 8.9 it may fly off again on the upside. See, 8.9 giving it a resistance there, giving it a resistance there. Hence beyond 8.9 definitely we may see some strong bullish move. On the downside, if it drops below 8.8, go short there, and then this time it may break past 8.7. We can see a strong bearish move. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is near to top. The MACD is bullish still. RSI is trading flat near to top. Likewise, if you see on the 2-hour charts, it is giving you a bullish formation here but failing to rise. So be cautious of 8.9. Only if it sustains beyond 8.9 we can see a stronger rise. Till the time it trades in between 8.8 and 8.9, do not trade below 8.8. You can look forward to 8.7. Very strong support lies at 8.7. Below 8.7 we may see a very good drop again. Then 8.6 and 8.4 levels will come into picture. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD has just crossed over and this is a bullish cross. Let's watch that if it sustains these levels. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, after achieving the low there at 8.4, it is trying to reverse and lower highs since then, lower highs, and once it breaks past 8.9 definitely you can get some stronger bullish move. Remember, it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands, and hence getting a pullback is also cannot be denied, and hence you can go short at 8.8 itself. You can expect it to drop for 8.75, 8.7, and then below that we may see a very good short for 8.6, 8.4 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is again overbought, and if you look at the MACD, this is trading bearish with a very little divergence. RSI is near to top, indicating overbought level. Look at the 4-hour charts, lower highs and higher lows indicating a breakout is awaited. Only bullish entry, only buy entry is above 8.9 levels, and even if it tries to drop, look at this, even if it tries to drop, the support there at 8.7 is going to be very strong. So yes, you can go short at 8.8, expect it to get the support from 8.7. If it drops below 8.7, definitely it will call for a stronger drop till towards 8.6 and 8.4 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upward. The MACD is in sell side, it is bearish still, it is not crossed over yet. RSI is near to overbought levels. Likewise, if you see on the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find it is failing to go past the highs out there. However, it has given you lower lows and indicates that yes, the bears are still there, and probably once it drops below 8.6 and 8.7 levels, you can expect a stronger bearish move where it may try to achieve 8.4 and then 8.2. In fact, $8 levels cannot be denied. So only long entry above 8.9. Then the next strongest resistance is 9 levels. If it sustains above 9, see, 9 is a very strong resistance. We have seen it giving resistance on the upside multiple times. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is still on the buy side. It is divergent. RSI near to top. Considering this, yes, you can go long at 8.9. but then be cautious till $9 levels. It can reverse, retrace, achieving those levels. So be cautious till $9 levels. I am warning you. Be cautious till $9 levels. Only if it sustains above $9 levels, you can expect a little more bullishness than 91.2, 92, and then 9.1, 9.2, and then 9.4 levels will come into picture. And on the downside, yes, if it breaks below 8.8, you can go short, but then expect a stronger support at 8.7 and then 8.6. So below 8.6, it will directly lend to 8.4 and 8.2 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 8.8 and 8.9. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.